Reflecting on professional roles leads us to a consideration of reflecting on our professional relationships with colleagues. When you're in a school as a teacher, of course, you're not working in isolation. You're working as part of a group of professionals, ideally as part of a team in the school. And therefore, what you need to reflect on is how you are regarded within the team by the team members. Are you a productive and contributing member of the team? And so your professional relationships with colleagues are a real opportunity for you to develop as a professional and provide a real opportunity for you to extend your thinking. And this is in stark contrast to solitary reflection. And what this means is that this opened up world for us in terms of our professional relationships with colleagues is that our thinking takes on an extra dimension. Rather than being two-dimensional, we're looking at things simply in terms of lists and timeframes and how we're proving ourselves. But it's very much looking at extra dimensions in terms of the depth of what we're doing and the extent over time, the influence we have over time, and also where this leads us to in the future. This thinking is part of moving our teacher identity to a new level, a level which reflects the depth and extent of our professionalism. And so we can see that the professional relationships that we have with colleagues open up a number of worlds to us, open up our professional roles to opportunities that we have in terms of working with others. And these opportunities are many and varied in terms of how we can develop our professional roles. We can think of our professional identity in terms of colleagues through any number of approaches and relationships. For example, things like specific interest groups are very useful to build up in a school environment, working with colleagues, sharing with colleagues and working with others. And we can also think of contributing to the school and contributing to our colleagues through things like working together. And so we're always, therefore, building the relationships that we have within the team and as part of a team, and contributing to the team, learning from each other and sharing with each other. And from a very simplistic point of view, we can think of the professional relationships we have with colleagues in terms of staff meetings and even informal meetings that we might have in the classroom at any particular point or in the school at any particular point. So we can see that there are many, many different ways that we can engage professionally with colleagues and with other professionals in the school. And so reflecting with colleagues is very important for us because it really does not only help us integrate into the school and feel valued with other professionals in the school, but it really is an opportunity to grow professionally with support and encouragement from others.